Can you go and touch that red light again?
Hey, whoa, hey, seen it?
Should I say hello? There's somebody out there.
I might need help.
Hello?
Hello? What?
The United States is home to some of the most terrifying haunted locations, each with chilling tales of restless spirits and unexplained occurrences. From abandoned hospitals to eerie hotels, these places have left even the bravest visitors shaken. Are you ready to witness the most terrifying encounters ever recorded? Let's find out. Sam and Colby. Sam and Colby decided to return to the infamous Stanley Hotel, known as one of the most haunted hotels in the United States. This was their second visit, but this time they were determined to communicate directly with the spirits.
It's one of the spookiest hotels in the country.
Known for a lot of its paranormal activity.
The Stanley Hotel is the most famous and most haunted location in the United States.
They entered room 217, the most haunted room in the hotel, infamous for ghostly activity. Almost immediately, eerie things began happening.
No way!
What?
Can you go and touch that red light again?
That was perfect timing.
The REM pod started going off multiple times, signaling an unseen presence nearby. Then this happened.
So creepy. Oh my god. Oh! That thing never... Whoa!
That never goes off, dude! Oh!
I've never seen one of those go off.
Was that
ever.
you sitting down?
Then the cat ball, a motion-activated light, suddenly lit up, even though no one was near it. It was clear that something, or someone, was responding to them. And if that wasn't convincing, watch this.
To us over there, you're fully welcome. If you're gonna follow us over to the concert hall, can you make that REM pod go off on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3.
Right as they counted down, the REM pod instantly reacted, almost as if something unseen was waiting for their signal. Whatever lingers in room 217, it made its presence known that night. But if you think this was chilling, just wait. Mindseed TV's next investigation takes things to a whole new level. Haunted house. Casey and Colton from Mindseed TV ventured into a notorious haunted house in North Dakota. The moment they stepped inside, they captured something chilling.
Hey, whoa, hey, seen it? Hello? Hello?
Determined to find answers, they placed a camera in the same room to monitor the strange activity. What they recorded next was even more unsettling. Despite using a spirit box and other paranormal tools throughout the night, nothing else seemed to happen. But when they reviewed their footage later, they discovered something truly horrifying.
We should get static cameras in here, like, right away, yeah.
Did you see it? Watch frame by frame. A pale hand moved unnaturally fast across the frame. Whatever was in that house didn't want to be seen. What do you think this was? Let us know in the comments section below. Abandoned hospital. Brian and Michael, the duo behind The Proper People, have spent a decade exploring abandoned locations worldwide. In 2016, they visited the old Bryce Hospital in Alabama, one of the creepiest buildings in the state.
Look at this staircase out here. Oh, there's somebody there.
No way.
Yes, I see their light. They're out there. I swear on my life.
Once home to psychiatric patients from 1939 to 1977, the decaying hospital was eerily silent as they explored its ruined halls. But when they explored one of its floors, something unnerving happened. As soon as Brian and Michael turned off their flashlight, the mysterious figure did the same, watching them.
Should I say hello? There's somebody out there. Let's go back to the car. This way. If it's somebody wanting to talk to us.
Let's go to the car now.
Oh yeah.
With no response to their calls and no sign of other vehicles nearby, they hurried back to their car. Later, while reviewing the footage, they noticed something even more unsettling. A flashlight appearing earlier in the video, as if that figure had been watching them the entire time. Whoever it was had been there long before they arrived, and their intentions remain a mystery. Scary encounter. In April 2022, YouTuber Exploring with Tom and 3 friends decided to explore one abandoned factory at night. They were loud and unaware of their surroundings. Never a good idea in places like this. As they ventured deeper, a sudden noise echoed through the halls. Someone was there. Determined to uncover the source, they pushed forward, until the night took a terrifying turn.
We're not scared of you.
Oh yeah,
Well, I am scared of you.
I think someone is doing that, to be honest with you.
From the darkness, a chilling scream erupted, filled with anger. Without hesitation, they bolted for the exit, but the nightmare was not over.
What? There's someone there. You see what it is? It might need help.
Hello?
Hello? What?
A figure emerged, chasing them all the way to their car. Out of breath and panicked, they barely managed to escape. Whether it was a squatter or something more sinister, they were lucky to escape unharmed.
What do you want? He's right there! He's right there!
These haunted locations continue to send shivers down the spines of those who dare to explore them. Whether it's ghostly whispers, shadowy figures, or objects moving on their own, the paranormal activity in these places remains a mystery. But the question lingers, would you ever spend a night in one of them? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Keep your lights on and stay curious.